Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see AutoCAD Basics. Okay, let me start. Okay. If you want to draw a line, rectangle, circle or everything as a command, here we have a tool. Just see line, polyline, circle or rectangle, ellipse like this. All are everything have tools also. Here commands. Okay, this is command panel. This is command panel. Okay, now we have to draw a line. Just L command, L space. If you want to enter the command, just make space. Okay, if you want to cancel the command, just make escape. L space. Click, 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 click. If you want to cancel the command, make escape or space, or here close. Three options. Okay, just make space, close the command. Okay. Now see, I'll move the drawing. I'm not move the drawing. I move the screen drawing area. Okay. This is I use by mouse scroll key. Okay. Scroll key by using zoom in out. You have command also, zoom command. Okay. And this is pan command. Commanders are available. Okay. Now like L line command. Okay. If you want to draw circle, C. In circle command we have 3-point circle, 2-point circle, tan radius circle, to different types. Okay, and this is your default circle. Okay, make center point, and if you want measurement 10-meter dia like this, you want to type the measurement, it comes. Okay, this is now we'll see just drawing. Okay, okay, now we'll start how to use measurements. Okay, now I will delete, select all that and delete. Okay, now we have to set units. Okay, now to set units. First, what scale we have to use? Feet, meter, millimeter, centimeter. Too much of measurement is there. Okay, units command UN space. Okay, in type, just click here. Architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. Fractional and scientific. Just leave this. Here everyone using architectural, decimal, and engineering. Architectural engineering both are feet drawings, feet inches drawings. Okay, decimal, this is meter, millimeter, centimeter, like this drawing. Now we have to draw centimeter. I'll make decimal, and here intersection scale units. Just click here all of scale is available. Unitless, inches, feet, US survey feet, miles, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, micro, inches, miles, yard, nanometer, etc, etc, etc. Now we will use centimeter. Okay, decimal, centimeter. Okay, just okay, UN space, and everything precision. This is all our defaults. Don't want to change anything. In next video, in this is beginning video, that's why I'm not explaining this everything. In future we will explain everything. Anyone want to know what is this, like this, command me. Okay, I'll tell you later. Okay, we'll set the units finished. Now start the drawing. Like L, first point, you have to click first point. Next point, how much distance we want. I'll make 200. Okay, Where you want to learn how to make direction by using mouse. I'll make like this line 200. If you want to enter the space, you want to enter the dimension, make space. Okay, I'll zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is 200. Make space. This is 200. If you want a straight line, L, click here. Okay, if you want to make straight line, space, make F8. Ortho on. Check straight line. Auto my mouse is okay. Where is the mouse and where is the line? Want to check out this? Okay, just click here. Okay, I'll delete this. Make L command. Drawing here. This is making disturbance in center of the drawing area. We want to move this corner. Okay, the command is ucs icon. Command ucs icon. Make space. Okay, we'll put no origin. Come this corner. Okay, no, it will not move now. Okay, this will not move now. Make line. Just click 200. Zoom in and then make line command here. Show the point. Yes, is showing starting point, end point, middle point. Okay, this is we have to if press F3, it will not show the points. This is O snap. If you press F3, it will off. One more time. If you press F3, it will on. Okay, now it's not showing the point. Now I'll press F3. O snap is on. Now showing. Okay, sometimes when not show, just make F3. Okay, just click here and we want to line up or down or side and make down 150 and here 150. Okay, one more 50 I'll make press and close. Okay, now you have to make wall thickness. Now I'll show you one. See, and later I'll tell you how I make this, how to draw bread, everything. Okay, how to make text, window, doors, everything. I'll tell you later in continuous video next. Okay, this is wall thickness. How to make the wall thickness? Okay, the wall thickness in centimeter 23. Okay, offset. This different type of block is available in market. How much if you want wall thickness, just use. Okay, now here I'll use default thickness 23. Okay, I'll use offset command. Whoa, just press. Okay, I'll give the distance 23 space. Okay, let's see how I use this command. In this line, wait a minute, I'll make one line. Offset 23, this line I want here or inside I want here, in this line I want here, and this line I want here, and this line I want here. If you want inside, just click here. Okay, let's tell you the details. Line, I'll off the FH also. Okay, I'll make offset. Okay, this I'll make 20 offset. Click here, click here. Okay, everything you will use by command. I'll make circle offset outside, inside. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'll make the walls. This is small room. I'll make 2 meter by 150. And that's why I'll make it look like small thing. Look like small. Now we have to join the edge. This is fillet F. Just click and click. Which both end we want to join, just click the both end. That's all. Okay, fillet, click, click. When we click the command, lines also closed, and commands also going to be end on end. Okay, we want to next make same thing. Make fillet command, click, click, fillet command, click, click. Okay, now how to make opening for door. I'll make one line here to here and offset small door. I'll make 90 cm offset here, and now we have to delete this line and this line. We want to select whole line. If you want to select this line, to select whole line. You delete whole thing. Okay, I'll make undo. Yes, this one. Okay, now we have to delete from here to here this gap only, and this gap only we have to delete. The command is trim, TR. Okay, space and space. Have to put 2 space for the trim command. Why? I'll tell you later. Okay, now we will use 2 space. Which area you want to trim or delete? Select this area. See? Now I'll show you the detailed. Okay, now we want to delete this one only. Trim, delete. Yeah, delete. Now you want to delete this line, so it can't be deleted. This is single line, that's why it's not delete. It's not trim. You have to delete, not trim. Maybe in case here any line chance, now it will make trim. TR. This is individual line, individual line. This is continuing. You can do trim. This is trim command. We have difference errors and trim. This is basic. In next video I'll show you how to make window, doors and text. Okay.